In this video, I'll guide you through how to give someone access to manage your Hostinger account using account sharing. We'll go step by step so you can safely let a colleague, developer, or teammate help you manage your sites without giving away your personal login details. First, sign into your Hostinger account and go to your H panel. This is your main control panel where you manage hosting, domains, and other services. Once you're in H panel, look over to the sidebar on the left. You'll see a list of sections and tools there. Find and select the option called Account Sharing. This is the dedicated area Hostinger provides for securely sharing access to your account. When the account sharing page opens, you'll see any existing users who already have access, as well as the controls for adding new people. To invite someone new, look for the button that says Grant Access with a plus sign and click it. This tells Hostinger you want to add a new user and opens the invitation form. Now you'll be asked to enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Type in the email they use for their Hostinger account. If they don't already have a Hostinger account, that's okay. They'll be prompted to create a free one when they accept the invitation. It's important that the email is correct because this is where the invitation will be sent, and it also determines which account gets the access. Once you've entered the email address, you'll choose the level of access you want to give them. Hostinger gives you two main options here, and this choice is really important for security and control. The first option is Manage All Services. If you select this, the person you're inviting will be able to manage everything in your Hostinger account. That includes editing websites, managing hosting settings, and changing DNS records. This is best suited for someone you fully trust, like a main developer, a business partner, or an internal team member who needs broad access to maintain your online services. The second option is Manage Specific Services. This is more restrictive and is a great choice when you want to share access but limit what the person can touch. For example, you might only want them to work on one website or one domain. When you choose this option, you'll be able to pick exactly which website or domain they can access. This extra control helps you keep the rest of your account safe while still letting them do the work they need to do. Take a moment to think about what this person really needs. If they only need to update one site, don't give them full account control. Limiting access is a good habit for keeping your hosting environment secure. After you've selected the appropriate access level, and if needed, chosen the specific services they can manage, you're ready to finalize the invitation. Click the Grant Access button to send it. Hostinger will email the invitation to the address you entered, and the person will be able to accept it and start managing the services you've allowed. And that's it. You've successfully shared access to your Hostinger account in a controlled, secure way without ever sharing your own login details.